Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to face thread download pending problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can face Instagram thread download pending. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, at the upper right corner you can see your profile over here. Just click on that. Once you click on your profile, at the upper right corner you can see over here settings. Just click on settings, and once you click on settings you can see network preferences. Just click on that and you can see auto update apps. Click on it and you need to make sure it is not on, it is on don't auto update apps. So you can see over here don't auto update apps, so you need to make sure you are not using this option, but it should be the second option which says over Wi-Fi only. Then you click on OK. Now once you are done, just click on your profile once again, and once you click on your profile, just click on settings once again in the same Play Store. Then you click on about. Now once you click on about, you can see Play Store version. Update your Play Store to the latest version. There is no option for you to update your Play Store to the latest version than this. So this is how to update your Play Store to the latest version. So you can see Play Store version and you can see update Play Store. Now once you search for Play Store, there is no option for you to update your Play Store. So this is the best way to update your Play Store to the latest version so that you can face this error. Now let me show you the last method which will also work for you. But before that, real quick, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Keep watching as I'm about to show you another trick which will also solve this problem. Now let's get back into the video. For the last method, all you need to do is to open your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, then you search for apps and notifications. Once you search for apps and notifications, you can see application settings over here. Just click on that, and once you click on that, just wait as it is loading for all your applications over here. So just wait for a while and you can see all your applications over here. So you can see it is loading for your applications, so you need to wait, and then once it has loaded, just scroll down over here, scroll down, and you can see Google Play Services. Just click on that. Now once you click on Google Play Services, you can see storage and cache. Just click cache and storage of Google Play Services over here, and once you are done, just go back and you can see Google Play Store. Just click on storage and cache. Now once you click on storage and cache, just clear storage and cache of your Google Play Services. By performing all this, your Instagram thread application is going to be downloaded successfully. Now with this, you can face the error of download pending in Instagram thread. So I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video